Let's make perfectly roasted chicken thighs with crispy skin, juicy and tender meat, and a burst of bright zesty flavor. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs, but you can use any cut of chicken that you like. Let's make the marinade. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, paprika, dried oregano, and onion powder. Add chili pepper to your heat preference and salt to taste. Mix it all into a smooth paste. Pour the marinade over the chicken and work it in until every piece is fully coated. Cover with cling film and let it marinate overnight or for at least 2 hours if you're short on time. Arrange the marinated thighs evenly on a baking tray. Roast at 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes until the skin is golden and the meat is cooked through. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before serving. The result is crispy skin with juicy, flavorful meat on the inside. I served mine with rice ndengu and it was perfect. What side would you pair with these delicious thighs? Drop your ideas in the comment and check out my roasted peri peri chicken thighs recipe next. See you there.